Hey everyone, it's Leah, and welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since me and Matt posted, but for this video I am just going to give you a little mini update on our lives and also do a jewelry review. First, life updates. Matt and I have been very busy, especially me. I've been very busy with my new business that's been taking off like a storm, and I'm very, very grateful at how it's going so well. I basically sell some sushi boxes. If you want to know more about it, you should check out my Facebook or Instagram. I tag my business there, but it's only apparently available here in my city. So yeah, that takes up so much time because I do basically everything about the business. I don't have much time to sit down and film, but today is a day off, finally. So I was able to sit down and put you guys up there and then talk to y'all and also review a new product from Jeulia. I was really excited for this one because this new product from Jeulia is actually a watch. If you guys have seen my previous review from Jeulia, that was an engagement ring. That was like a year ago. And this time, I chose a watch to review for you guys. Go visit www.jeulia.com and there you will see lots of any kinds of jewelries that you'll find, and you'll also see collections of watches available on their website. And right now they're actually doing a New Year sale, so you better go visit Jeulia and grab one of yours, like any jewelry that you want. And don't forget to use my 15% discount code IAH6E15, and if you use that you'll get 50% discount on your shopping cart. So yeah, anyways, let's get right into the unboxing of this cute little box. I haven't opened this yet, by the way, so. Oh, there you go. Just like the old box, they have this, thank you for your purchase. Now this is part of the box. This is an instruction about not removing the jewelry tag, so that if ever you want to return your order, you can. But if you have removed the tag already, you won't be able to return it anymore. So read this before removing the jewelry tag. And then they have a free catalog. Oh, I really like this. That's really pretty. This is the Starry Night inspired jewelry set. And their watches. There you go. I'm really excited to see the watch that I got from them. They have a free small bag if ever you want to put it in here and give it as a gift to someone. Alright, now let's get into the box. Oh. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Oh, so it's wrapped in a plastic bag. I like that. Keeps it a lot more safe. Keeps the product more safe. Okay, let's take this out. Okay. So this is Jeulia's Daughter of the Sea Fashion Mermaid Women's Watch. It's $150 because right now they're on sale. The case material is basically stainless steel. The case color is yellow gold. Case size is 39 millimeters. and the case thickness is 5.6 millimeters. The watch strap color is brown, and it is genuine leather. The movement type of the watch is quartz, and the clasp type is buckle. The water resistant is 380 M. Great gift for a woman or girl who loves the water and believes in mermaids. I really love the inspiration behind this watch, and out of all other watches that were available on their website, this was the one that really stood out to me. Once again, I am very satisfied at Jeulia. This is actually my type of watch. I like a simple brown leather watch. If this wasn't available on their website, I would probably choose the white version of this watch, but since I'm into the brown leather kind of girl, then I definitely chose this one. When I saw this, I was like, oh, I love it. So yeah, so if you want to buy this exact watch, there's a link in the description box that I got just for you guys. And don't forget to use my 50% off discount code. Just realized that this is actually quite big for my wrist. I usually go for a smaller size just because I have a very tiny wrist. But this will do. Actually, I love it. It'll help me see the time more. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and check out our other videos. I'll see you guys in our next video.